my name is Felicia from Dr. Weiss's and O'Keefe's orthodontic office. I will be providing information we give to our patients after they get their braces on. First of all, we want to make sure we're brushing properly with a toothbrush. You want to make sure we're brushing in circles above the braces, making sure we massage the gums, right on the braces, and then right below the braces. The next step is very important. You use the proxy brush to get underneath the wire where the toothbrush cannot reach. We are going to make sure we brush on either side of every single bracket, top and bottom, and any place else you might see plaque developing. The next step is flossing, which is very important. You should try doing this at least once a day. The best time is before bed. You want to just make sure you get in between your teeth and underneath this wire with this special floss threader. You want to pull up, floss, go all the way up to the gum and pull it straight through. After we are done brushing using the proxy brush and flossing, you are going to make sure you rinse with a special fluoride rinse. This helps protect your teeth against cavities and white spots. Just once a day right before bed is good. You just can't eat or drink for a half hour after. Once we are all done rinsing with a fluoride rinse, we are going to make sure we put a piece of wax on every single bracket. This is going to help prevent any kind of rubbing sores you may get from these braces. You want to take a piece of wax off. You are going to place it right on the bracket itself, and it molds nicely around the brace. You want to push that on, and you want to make sure you put on every single bracket, top and bottom, also the band hooks, to prevent any kind of rubbing sores. Okay, we're going to go over the foods you should not be eating with braces. You want to make sure you're not eating anything chewy or sticky. You shouldn't have any kind of gum, fruit snacks, Airheads, or Starburst. Other foods you should avoid are hard foods. You should avoid any kind of whole nuts, but in peanut butter or anything where it's chopped up, it's fine to eat. Other foods you should avoid is anything too hard, like the hard-crusted bread. Pizza crust, soft pretzels, and bagels you can still eat, but you will be eating it differently. You're going to be breaking it in small pieces and eating it. You shouldn't be biting down in a bagel and pulling it. That could break off your braces. Other foods you should avoid. You shouldn't chew on ice. You also shouldn't chew on your fingernails or pens or pencils. You can still have some candy, cookies, cake, ice cream, and soda and pie. You should try to brush 3 to 4 times a day after every meal and before bed. If you can't brush at school, you want to make sure at least you're rinsing your mouth out with water and then brush once you get home. If you ever have a loose wire or a wire is poking, you can always apply wax on to keep yourself comfortable. If you can't get comfortable, we always have an emergency line. If you call our office, if our office is not open. Another thing that can happen is a bracket could come out, and the bracket's right on your tooth. If a bracket comes off, you will feel something loose or something moving. It's not really an emergency, but you can give us the office a call, and we'll try to make your next appointment longer, or we'll see if we can get you in before then. You will be sore for the first few days after you have your braces. A little Motrin as needed you can have, and also softer foods, soups, puddings, jellos, ice cream, mac and cheese, or spaghetti. Spaghetti can help. Thank you so much, and have a good day.